Okay, let's begin. First we do this. 8 divided by 4 gives us 2, and 8 divided by 4 gives us 2, and 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. But this is not correct answer, because according to the order of operations, when we have one more division, first we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And according to this rule, first we do this. And 8 divided by 4 gives us 2 divided by 8 divided by 4. And according to this rule, first we do this. 2 divided by 8, 2 over 8 gives us, and divided by 4. Here, here we have to use KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. And according to this rule, first we have to write keep 2 over 8, and change, we have to change division to multiplication, and we have to flip this 4, 1 over 4, and we may cancel this 4 and this 2 here 2, and 1 over 8 multiplied by 1 over 2. This gives us 1 over 8 multiplied by 2, 16. This is our correct and final answer. We can write it here. 1 over 16. Thank you.